Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will share 7 genius hacks to safeguard your pulses and grain from pesky insect right in your own pantry. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is start by storing your pulses and grain in airtight containers. This will prevent insect from getting inside and running your food. And tip number 2, use bay leaf as a natural insect repellent. Simply add a couple of bay leaf to your containers to keep bug at bay. And tip number 3, place a dried red chili pepper in each container. Insect can't stand the scent, so they will stay far away from your precious food. And tip number 4, another effective hack is to freeze your pulses and grain for 48 hours before storing them. This will kill any exciting insect or egg. And tip number 5, keep your pantry clean and organized. Regularly check your sign of infections and discard any infected item immediately. And tip number 6, consider using diatomaceous earth as a natural insecticides. Sprinkle it around your pantry or on shelf to deter and eliminate bug. Tip number 7, lastly, be mindful of the age of your pulses and grains. Use order stock first and regularly rotate your supplies to ensure refresh and minimize the risk of insect problem. And there you have it, 7 genius hacks to safeguard your pulses and grain from insect. We hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more useful video like this. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.